Hi everyone, welcome to Alive and Kicking. I'm Shilpa here. Today's video is not about any makeup or beauty review, but today I'm here to talk about a very important issue, that is child safety. For a parent like me, I guess it is always in our mind to suggest, to guide our children what to do and what not to do, and still they don't follow our instructions. So what I feel actually is that kids are very quick learners, and if we are making them learn something very easily in a fun way, then they follow it without even realizing that they are following certain instruction given by the parents. Today I have these two booklets with me. These are two booklets, and these are known as My Safety Comic Book and My Safety Coloring Book. So as the name indicates, My Safety Comic Book. It's just like a comic for the kids, which they generally like to read in their free time. Just look how interactive this safety book is. Why I like this book actually. This book is like picture book, and very small kids like 3 years onwards, they can have a look at the picture and guess what we are suggesting them through this picture. As well as there is a written statement or a written hint what to do and what not to do. Some illustrations are given through the dialogues where the child can read and guess what the parent is suggesting them not to do. These are so interesting. See, if a child is caught in some emergency and how he should do, how he should save himself, those steps are also illustrated in a very nice manner. So I am liking all the ideas. A very common one when we are suggesting our kid not to talk to any stranger. And in the second half of this booklet, what you find, these are some cutouts. Cutouts are again very favorite activity of kids, that they cut these illustration, fill in the details, and they can paste these illustration anywhere where it is easily accessible, maybe on the cupboard, on the fridge, on the almirah, or wherever they find it's easy to access and read it. So that information can come handy when the kids are caught in such situation. Now this particular book is priced at rupees 400 and is available at this particular website, that is safetycard.com. So you can buy it online at the comfort of your house. No need to buy it from any mall or going somewhere searching for this particular book. Coming to the second part of this combo series, we have this coloring book. If I talk about my child, he is very fond of drawing and coloring. And I guess so many kids which are of very young age, instead of indulging themselves in different activities, coloring is their favorite one. So this booklet actually gives them a very nice pastime where they can color their family members' pictures and also paste the actual picture of the member of the family. Moving onwards, we have this very important persons of our society. They can have a look at those important people like a teacher, a watchman, a doctor, a policeman, or whoever is a person whom we interact in our society almost every day on different places. So these will be there for coloring activities. And then now the rules to be followed. Road safety, very very important. I have seen kids running across the road, crossing the road, and the parents are running after them. So if we let them know how to cross a road through these booklets, through these coloring activities, it will be really very useful for the parents as well as kids. Again, the written instruction, textual hints are given under every illustration here. You can have a look at them. Now we have these signs. Very very important activity to be done by a child. When something is not written, just a symbol is there on any road or any place, the child needs to understand what is the meaning of a sign. Obviously, we parents are very much keen to make them learn by telling what does it mean. But if it is done in this booklet, then fun way is obviously a better way to make kids remember what a sign actually means. So here is how the book ends. You can draw the same figure which is given on the left hand side of the page, and the right hand side is blank page where you can draw. Means if the child is grown up enough, 6-7 years old, then that child can draw it on the other side of the page. So I actually love the idea of these two booklets. Yeah, and the coloring book is priced at rupees 300. So you can say this particular combo is available for rupees 700 on safetycart.com. I really feel that when you are buying a gift for any child, for your own child, or you are gifting something to somebody, a box of chocolates or candies or sweets, why not giving this particular useful gift to a child for their safety and relaxing yourself, feeling confident that your child knows how to safeguard him or her in a certain situation in life. So I hope the parents must be liking this review. See you next time. Until next time, stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye.